Hi everyone! So, kinsa tong take og non-prof driver's license. So, dali na, magdungan ta og review. So, this review was came from the YouTube channel of Wonder J. So, ako lang siya gi-screenshot para dili kay ko malangay og paabot sa answer. So, inana ko kadalian. So, this is an English exam for non-prof driver's license. So, here we go! Number 1. How does alcohol affect you? So, the answer is, it reduces your concentration. Number 2. What is the meaning of beating the red light? The answer is driving faster upon seeing a yellow or amber light. Number 3. Under RA 10666, which of the following prohibits the rider to convey a child? So the answer is where a speed limit of more than 60 km per hour is imposed. For number 4, what should you do whenever you are driving on a highway with a lot of potholes? The answer is decrease speed. Number 5. Using a backbone motorcycle, which stand do you need to use when parking overnight? The answer is center stand. Number 6. What does this traffic light sign means? Kani siya marang naka what's a right? So, dangerous right curve. Number 7. Ahead of you is a vehicle with a flashing yellow light. This means it is slow moving. Number 8. What should you do if the road is wet? What should you do if the road is wet? Slow down. Number 9. What comes next after this traffic light? So the answer is red. Kaya nag-una niya kay green man. Green, yellow, or amber. Then the next is red. Number 10. Which of the following traffic lights requires you to prepare for a stop? So the answer is yellow or amber light. Number 11. A pedestrian runs across the street when you are about to move off from a red light. What should you do? A pedestrian runs across the street when you are about to move off from a red light. What should you do? So the answer is wait until the pedestrian cross. Sorry, kinukabing ko eh. Number 12. You are planning a long trip. Do you need to plan rest stops? You are planning a long trip. Do you need to plan rest stops? The answer is yes. Regular stops help avoid mental and physical fatigue. Number 13. During the period of illness, your ability to drive may be impaired. You must be physically and mentally fit and do not drive after taking medicine. Number 14. Under RA 10666, also known as Children's Safety on Motorcycle Act, the child must grasp the rider's waist, step and rest his or her feet comfortably on the foot peg, and he or she must wear standard protective helmet. Number 15. A blinking yellow traffic light means slow down and proceed if there is no danger. Sorry. Number 16. When do you need to check your engine oil level? The answer is when the engine is cold. Number 17. Yellow box pavement marking is painted within intersections where no vehicle is allowed to The answer is stop. Number 18. What should the driver do if he or she is already within the intersection with the yellow traffic light comes? The answer is the driver may continue driving with caution. Number 19. Why are rumble strips installed across the road? Why are rumble strips installed across the road? The answer is to make you alert and aware of your speed. Number 20. Which one is a mandate of LTO? The answer is register roadworthy and emission complaints motor vehicles. Number 21. What does this traffic sign means? The answer is dangerous curve ahead. Number 22. What is the authority granted by LTO to a person who desires to learn to operate a motor vehicle valid for a period of 1 year? So, it is student driver's permit. Student driver's permit. Number 23. Signs that are round, inverted triangle or octagonal, and with red colored border are called regulatory signs. Number 24. You arrive at a crossroad. You want to turn left and you have a green arrow light. Can you proceed? The answer is yes. You can turn left as this is a protected turn where no other cars are allowed to enter the intersection. Number 25. What should be done first before changing lanes? The answer is make signal. Number 26. When is it legal to use the shoulder of a road when overtaking another vehicle? The answer is letter C. During normal circumstances, you are not legally allowed to pass using the shoulder of a road. Number 27. This action can cause you to skid and lose control when you make an abrupt move, especially on a wet and possibly slippery road. The answer is improper braking. Number 28. To help reduce air pollution using your brake, what should you do? The answer is brake properly. Number 29. What does this traffic sign means? The answer is no U-turn. Number 30. You should not use a mobile phone while riding a motorcycle because it is prohibited by law and it distracts your attention while driving. Number 31. What sign will constitute an offense if it will be disregarded? Letter A. Regulatory sign. Number 32. A flashing green light means proceed with caution. Number 33. What does this traffic sign means? The answer is traffic light signals ahead. Number 34. What is the meaning of this traffic light? So this is prepare to stop. Number 35. A driver while on a highway shall yield the right of way to... The answer is pedestrians crossing within a crosswalk. Number 36. Among the list, who are exempted from speed limits? The answer is doctors or their lovers going to an emergency. Doctors or their drivers going to an emergency. Iduka man jud ko eh. Number 37. When do you need to switch on your turn signal? The answer is before turning. Number 38. What is the maximum penalty for driving under the influence of liquor or prohibited drugs? A. 6 months suspension. Letter B. 1 year suspension. Letter C is perpetual revocation of license. The answer is letter C, perpetual revocation of license. Number 39. If the brake light of the vehicle in front of you lights up, you should A. Prepare to brake. B. Press the horn. Letter C. Turn right or left. The answer is letter A. Prepare to brake. Number 40. The primary objective is looking ahead while driving is letter A. To check for the presence of traffic enforcers. Letter B. To check the traffic ahead and changes of road condition. Letter C. To check for road crash. So the answer is letter B. To check the traffic ahead and changes of road condition. Number 41. A blue traffic light means go, stop, none, there is no blue traffic lights. The answer is letter C. There are no blue traffic lights. Number 42. What does this traffic sign means? The answer is no motorcycles. Number 43. You are entering an area of roadworks where there is a temporary no overtaking sign. You must A. Obey the sign only during the rush hour. Letter B. Follow the sign as advised. Letter C. Obey only when the traffic enforcer is on duty. The answer is follow the sign as advised. Number 44. How much is the penalty for the second offenses of RA 10666 Children's Safety on Motorcycle Act of 2015? The answer is 5,000. Number 45. What should you do when you approach a roadwork with a temporary maximum speed limit sign? The answer is letter A. Comply with the sign at all times. Number 46. A no parking sign means? The answer is letter C. For disregarding traffic sign, a motorist can make a temporary stop within a reasonable time to load or unload, but must not obstruct other vehicles. Number 47. You approach an intersection with malfunctioning traffic signals. What should you do? The answer is treat the intersection as if there were stop signs in all directions. Number 48. If you encounter emergency vehicles such as an ambulance, a fire truck, and police cars on the road with sirens on, what should you do? The answer is give way by pulling in to the left or right of the road depending on the circumstances. Number 49. What does this traffic What does this traffic sign means? The answer is no overtaking. Number 50. It is the car's turn and brake signals have failed. It is the car's turn and brake signals have failed. So the driver is using hand gestures to signal instead. What is the driver's intention? So the answer is turn right. Number 51. When a driver sees the yellow light signal changes to red, a vehicle is already in the intersection to turn left or right. When a driver sees the yellow light signal changes to red, a vehicle is already in the intersection to turn left or right. The answer is letter C. To continue to proceed through the intersection even if the light on the signal to the left or right is red. Number 52. Motorcycle riders must exercise safety and care at all times. The answer is standard protective helmets. Number 53. Where would you see this sign? Where would you see this sign? The answer is call pedestrian crossing. Number 54. How can you avoid wasting fuel? By having your vehicle properly serviced and maintained. Number 55. What does this traffic sign means? The answer is stop. Number 56. In case a road crash involving physical injury, the first duty of the involved driver is letter A. Attend to the injured person and call for help. Number 57. You service your own vehicle. How should you get rid of the old engine oil? The answer is dispose it properly. Number 58. What is the maximum and allowable width of the saddlebox or bag? The answer is 14 inches from both sides. Number 59. When more than one driver arrived at a four-way stop, who has the right of way? The answer is the driver who arrived first should be the first to go. Number 60. How much is the imposed fine and penalty for the first offense if you violate the RA 10666 on safety of children aboard motorcycle? The answer is 3,000. Kaya ang second offense is 5,000 naman. Okay, thanks for listening and watching. So this video credits is from Wonder J channel. Good luck. God bless.